Alright, it's been a few hours. Let's see, it says 30 degrees. So hopefully, let's see if this is frozen. Oh shoot, it's rock solid. There you go, look at that. You can see the heat. I can feel the heat though. Ooh, this is hot. So hopefully it's still good. Running constantly, but this is rock solid cold. Yep, froze it up, but that's good. It's minus, let's see, minus 4 degrees, so it can freeze things. Now we know. That's it.
Lodówka przyszła, zobacz. Zajebista.